In this video, I'll show you how to make a quiz and send results to Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, just simply choose workspaces. From here, this will be the list of all of your workspaces. And let's say I just want to create a new base for a quiz. So on the right-hand side, click on Create beside a workspace. From here, we will build an app on our own. So choose the second option. And once you do that, it will automatically take you to a blank slate. Now, as you can see here, we have here a database. For the primary field, it is set as name, and I will leave it as is. The reason for that is the rest of the fields will be the questions. So each and every name will have different types of answers per each and every question. So from here, let's simply right-click on a field, click on Edit Field, and instead of a long text, let's say we want to do a single select since this is a quiz. From here, we can add our options, let's say answer number 1, answer number 2, answer number 3. At the bottom, click on Save. And as you can see, it will automatically be changed to a single select. Let's edit this field. And from here, let's say that this is question number 1. For question number 2, we could just simply right-click a field, edit the field. We will name this as question number 2. From here, let's say that this question will be a multi-select. And from here, we can simply add the options. At the bottom, click on Save again. Now, depending on the amount of questions that you have, it will also depend to the amount of fields. So let's say we also want to add a long text like an essay. So from here, we will just simply click on Create. And as you can see, we have a simple quiz. So we will gather the name, the questions, as well as the essays, and we can generate this to a form. Now, to generate this into a form, simply head over to the left-hand side. As you can see, it is set as a grid view. At the top, click on Create New. And from here on the right-hand side, head over to the very bottom and click on Form. Now from here, simply choose to try the form builder. And once you do that, as you can see, all of the fields that we have within this table will automatically be generated to a form. Now, this is a simple quiz. At the bottom, you can add rules into it. You can also set each and every field as a required field. This means that they cannot miss a single question. And once you are done and satisfied with your form, if you want to add more questions, then at the bottom, you can also do so. Click on the plus sign, and from here, you can create a field. And once you're done, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on Publish. And once you click on Publish, this is where you can choose to either number 1, share your form from anyone on the web. You will have a link, but on the left-hand side, you can also embed this form to a desktop, a website, or a mobile view. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.